5. We are racing underway. This is 7 minutes, guys.
Go, go, go.
Careful on the left-hand side.
It should be.
Oh, I know.
All right.
Leading us out for our first lap. Cody, followed by Rick. Rob in the number 3 spot. Casey in the number 4. Senior in the number 5. Cody's still in number 1 spot. Rick Boyce. He's 1.5 seconds behind. He's got him in his sights. After 2 minutes, Cody's on that number 1 spot, followed by Rick, then Rob, Ethan, and Peter. Right now, Cody has a fast lap of a 30.7. Straightaway, that yellow, green, and black body, Cody D. Rick Boyce in the number 2 spot. He's got that blue body, white wheels, yellow wing. And making up massive ground is Rob. He's got that green body, white wing, yellow wheels. He's in the infield double right now. Down front straightaway, your number 1 car, Cody. Race to the bottom, that the dog get around him. Like Rob got them first round, that first couple lap jitters out. It's now nice and smooth. Moving into a little bit of lap track as they go. Second and third. Meanwhile, in the number 1 spot, down front straightaway, Cody D. Rob in the number 2. He's the number 1 car, Cody. Adrian Montana, he's in the number 4 spot. He's got that orange and green body. He's on the left side kicker. We've got 250 left drivers, 250 left. Down front straightaway, number 3 car, Rick Boyce. Marios in the number 5 spot. Everyone's pretty well spaced out. Currently Cody's in number 1. Here comes number 2 car, Rob. 5.1 seconds behind.
Hang it up, Rick.
Cody making it through some lap traffic pretty easily. We've got 2 minutes left, drivers. 2 minutes left. Rob now 4.2 seconds behind your leader. Cody rolling it over before the left side kicker. That's going to get Rob into the number 1 spot. First and second to the doubles. Cody trying to send it over. Rob's to hold on to that number 1 spot into the triples they go. Double single both of them, nice and smooth.